Welcome back, friends. Welcome to Blame Builder Lecture YouTube channel. Today, I'll be showing you some simple secrets on how to use the ChatGPT free version to generate your PowerPoint slides. Be it a researcher, MSc student, undergraduate, postgraduate, this is for you. Please don't skip this video. Follow it step by step so that you understand everything I will teach here. All right, this is a ChatGPT. This is a ChatGPT. You look at here now. If you don't have this ChatGPT in your desktop like this, you can quickly go to your browser, type ChatGPT, download it, and install it and it will come out in your laptop's desktop. So for you to start this journey now, you double click this ChatGPT. Once you double click this ChatGPT, the platform, the interface will open. Now, okay, this is the interface of ChatGPT. Okay, we want to generate um PowerPoint slides, maybe for my presentation. Maybe you have 2 days presentation. How can you now easily or fast, in a fast way, get your PowerPoint slides? What can you do? What can you do now? This is what I want to teach you now. Follow me, let's go. All right, what, with a simple prompt, you will just type, I have a topic, by fertilizer. You just type, always greet ChatGPT, please. Good morning. Good morning. Okay. So after that, you will now type your topic. You will ChatGPT will respond to you. So you now type your topic. Give me, give me a little an overview, an overview of biofertilizer. Okay. Okay, this is the overview of biofertilizer. If you look at it, it's a wonderful thing. So what do you do after generating this prompt now, and ChatGPT has already responded to your prompts? So what do you do first? You just tell ChatGPT, please, please organize this light up in a 15 slides for my presentation. Okay, let's wait for it. It will take small time. Say, here is your well organized 15 slide presentation on biofertilizer, clean and ready for PowerPoint presentation. Are you seeing this? This is a wonderful thing. So now this is the how the thing will look like. Okay, this is how the thing will look like. Okay, now tell you, can you please convert this slide into a complete PowerPoint file? Yes, we can convert it to a PowerPoint file. We can convert it to PDF. Let's just choose these two. Okay, we say convert these slides. Convert these slides into a complete PowerPoint file. All right, you now send it. It's analyzing. Let's wait a little bit. ChatGPT is wonderful. Okay. Okay, now it has generated the slides for you. So what do? You just double click on it to download our slide. If you look at it, the thing has already downloaded. You open it. Okay, this is our PowerPoint slide well arranged. So what do you do? You can, this is editable slide. You can edit it, add the small thing if you don't like it like this. Once it open, I will show. If you don't like it like this, you can easily add what you want to add in it. So that is the secret. Let's wait for you to open and see the slides. Okay, it's opening. Okay. All right. It had opened, enable editing. So this is the 15 slides as I requested. So this is the 15 slides. Let's just slideshow. If you have not watched my video in a PowerPoint essential for beginner, please do so. And also watch the second video, how to make a professional table. Okay, so let's view this. View our slides from beginner. Okay, this is our slides. It's a wonderful thing microbiology use. So that is it. 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 Yes, conclusion. Then that is it. So if you don't like it like this, you can format. Since it's editable, you can easily add some things, add some design, and your PowerPoint is ready for that. Thank you. This is where we stop. Don't forget to like our video, share, comment, and please subscribe for us so that you will be notified in our next training.